Today, I'm hitting the streets to find out why some people haven't yet given up meat. Let's go. Have you ever considered vegetarian?
Yes, I have.
No.
No.
I buy into the arguments for it.
Would you mind watching our video?
Okay.
So you watched some tough stuff there. How does that make you feel?
It makes me feel a little sickened, honestly. Yeah.
It makes me not want to buy from those people, definitely.
Yeah.
It's pretty horrific. It's, I think it's out of sight, out of mind when you don't see that kind of stuff. You don't even think about how your food is killed, I guess.
I feel terrible. I was gonna go buy chicken. That's terrible.
The cruelty to animals. I mean, I don't know how I can eat it, to tell you the truth, knowing that, but yeah.
It's sad, and it makes me think more about my choices.
Animals should not be treated like that. That's horrible. Like grinding up live babies. That's awful.
Well, it's just brutality. It's just awful. It's just an awful way to treat another living thing.
Does that make you kind of want to reconsider your food choices?
Of course.
I'll think about it.
And there are so many protein choices that we can get that are plant-based now that it's just, it's really unnecessary.
Certainly, I don't want to be a part of something that hurts someone else.